past the traps of this twisted up town. We are summer dripping down. So crowned by the morning adorning you and me, and that's our reality as we open our eyes. Bitterly and gingerly forming in the half-light of a brand new mystery. And maybe this is not something that I meant to hold on to. And maybe this is not doesn't feel like we're on land anymore. Capture it and hold on in the middle of the ocean's roar. By morning, all our lives would be erased, and we are free like diamonds gleaming, with nothing to do. Nothing to fear, and maybe this is not